Most commonly asked questions for senior carers and their perfect answers. 1. What made you interested in becoming a senior carer? Answer: I have a passion for helping others and making a positive difference in people's lives. Becoming a senior carer allows me to do this on a daily basis, while also providing opportunities for leadership and growth. 2. What transferable skills do you have that would make you a good senior carer? Answer: I possess several transferable skills that are beneficial for a senior carer position, including excellent communication, empathy, active listening, and attention to detail. I also have experience in leadership roles, and I am highly organized and adaptable. 3. How do you prioritize tasks in a busy care environment? Answer: I prioritize tasks based on urgency and level of importance, while also considering the needs and preferences of each individual resident. I also communicate with other care staff to ensure that we are working together efficiently. 4. Can you describe a difficult situation you faced with a resident and how you handled it? Answer: Yes, I once had a resident who was agitated and uncooperative. I used active listening and empathy to understand their concerns, and worked with the care team to develop a plan that met their needs and preferences. 5. How do you ensure that residents maintain their dignity and independence? Answer: I believe in treating each resident with respect and dignity, while also encouraging their independence to the best of their ability. This may involve providing assistance with activities of daily living while allowing them to make their own choices and decisions. 6. How do you maintain a positive and respectful relationship with family members? Answer: I communicate regularly with family members to keep them informed about their loved one's care, while also respecting their privacy and wishes. I encourage open communication and collaboration to ensure the best possible care for the resident. Please subscribe, like and share this video for upcoming interview questions and answers from various industries. Stay tuned.